Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you are incessantly bothered by an anonymous or marketing call, and you long to possess the knowledge of the caller's identity and whereabouts? Hi guys, thanks for tuning into Guru 99. Well, when an unknown number calls or missed call appears, many instinctively call back, hoping it's someone familiar. However, this isn't always wise, as scammers or hackers may be on the other end. In such cases, it's crucial to identify the caller using an unknown number. This involves discovering their name, location, address, and social media profiles. Knowing who has called is important for multiple reasons. It allows prompt responses to emergencies or opportunities. It might reconnect you with a long-lost love or friend. Additionally, it helps identify spammers, enabling appropriate actions like blocking them. Fortunately, only reverse phone lookup services make it easy to find out who called. And here you go with the 5 best tools to find who called me from this number. Just get ready to say goodbye to these unknown callers and get rid of being bugged untimely. Number 1. Intelius, highly secure and private reverse phone lookup service. Intelius is a standout online platform for investigating anonymous callers while prioritizing user privacy. With a steadfast commitment to confidentiality, all searches are safeguarded by robust 256-bit encryption. This ensures that your investigation remains discreet without alerting the phone number's owner. Through Intelius, access detailed phone reports revealing valuable information such as personal details, history, phone type, location, additional contacts, and social media presence. These reliable insights are sourced from reputable and trustworthy databases, offering accuracy you can rely on. Features and services offered: find owner information, address, social media profiles, photos, and much more. Unlimited background search. Reliable user data in seconds. Name and contact of the caller. Complies with the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Pros: reports are detailed and accurate. The website guarantees complete privacy and security. Cons: the service is only available to users in the United States. Pricing: beware of scams offering an Intelius free trial. They don't provide a completely free trial. Free background checks may not be reliable. However, you can try Reverse Phone Lookup plus People Search. 95 cents 6-day trial, then $34.95 a month. People Search Monthly, $24.86 a month. People Search Bi-monthly, $21.13 a month, or $42.25 total. Address Lookup plus People Search, 95 cents 7-day trial, then $34.95 for the month. Verdict: best for offering a high level of customer security and privacy. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.intelius.com. Number 2. Spokeo, efficient phone number lookup tool for unknown numbers. Spokeo, a popular global reverse phone search engine, excels in swiftly and accurately identifying unknown callers. This valuable service is available through a paid subscription, accompanied by a user-friendly website interface and comprehensive features. Leveraging extensive access to diverse information databases, Spokeo furnishes users with abundant details about phone number owners. To further enhance the lookup experience, an Android mobile app is also provided, streamlining the process and minimizing any potential difficulties. Features and services offered: reveals info linked to an email address, identifies callers with phone lookup, provides details about an address or property, offers comprehensive information on individuals including criminal records. Pros: user-friendly website, even for beginners. Hassle-free subscription cancellation process. Cons: mobile app is exclusive to Android users. Pricing: get 7-day free Spokeo membership trial at 95 cents that you can cancel anytime. After your 7-day free trial, you'll be billed $29.95 per month. Verdict: best overall app to find who called you. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.spokeo.com. Number 3. Truecaller, warns against unwanted callers. Truecaller acts as a powerful spy dialer, providing you with contact details of unknown callers before answering their calls. By utilizing data from various networks, Truecaller categorizes calls as spam or safe, enabling you to block telemarketers, unwanted calls, and fraudulent activity. The search results offer comprehensive information, including phone numbers, email addresses, physical addresses, and associated names. Additionally, Truecaller allows you to trace the origin of incoming calls, empowering you to make informed decisions about answering or blocking them. Features and services offered: reveals caller identity for unknown numbers, auto blocks spam calls based on community reports, consolidates messaging in one app, displays callers' names with intelligent dialer, notifies when your Truecaller profile is viewed, facilitates ghost phone calls to avoid spam, efficiently organizes contacts for easy management. Pros: apps for mobile phones as well as web-based platforms are supported. Works as a texting and calling app. Cons: the results are not always accurate. Pricing: you can get the app for free. However, the Truecaller free version misses out on some premium features like Who Viewed My Profile, Incognito Mode, No Ads, Premium Badget, Call Recording, and more. Ad-free plan: pay $9.99 a year. Connect plan: pay $29.90 a year or $10.99 quarterly. Assistant plan: pay $49.99 a year or $4.99 a month. Verdict: best for identifying unknown incoming calls. It also warns you against unwanted calls via a community-based spam list. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.truecaller.com. Number 4. TruthFinder, best at revealing unknown callers. TruthFinder stands out by efficiently gathering comprehensive background information on individuals through phone number lookups, utilizing extensive public databases. With a stellar 7-year track record and an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, the website excels in providing phone lookup services. Users can access a range of details, including full names, personal history, age, education, employment records, and publicly available information. Going beyond typical search engines, TruthFinder also offers dark web scans, uncovering additional background data on individuals, including properties, as well as providing self-search capabilities. Features and services offered: enables quick searches, complies with FCRA guidelines. People's Search feature provides detailed information on individuals. Reverse phone lookup reveals accurate data on unknown callers. Public records search offers extensive information from multiple sources. Pros: unlimited phone reports. Has add-ons. Cons: there's no option to purchase individual reports. Pricing: special 5-day trial. $1, then $29.89 a month includes unlimited premium reports. Reverse phone lookup monthly, $4.99 a month. People Search monthly, $28.05 a month. People Search bi-monthly, $23.28 a month, $46.56 today. Reverse email lookup, $29.73 a month. Valuable add-ons to any TruthFinder membership. Monthly PDF/report monitoring, $3.99 a month. Monthly dark web monitoring, $2.99 a month. Verdict: best for finding additional information. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.truthfinder.com. Number 5. BeenVerified, all-inclusive and highly educative reverse phone lookup engine. BeenVerified, a highly regarded people search engine, is renowned for its thorough information searches. Alongside its phone number lookup service, the website provides educational articles to empower users in protecting themselves from scammers. Known for its user-friendly and efficient approach, BeenVerified swiftly delivers reliable reports within minutes. The platform also offers additional search options, including email, address, and name searches, expanding its capabilities to cater to diverse user needs. Features and services offered: keeps your identity confidential during phone number searches. Find individuals by names with the People Search feature. Ensure data security and anonymity with secured anonymous searches. Extensive resources for looking up unknown phone numbers in a vast database. Pros: the reports provided by the platform are sourced from reliable and current sources, ensuring their accuracy and comprehensiveness. User privacy and safety are guaranteed on the platform, prioritizing the protection of personal information. Cons: at times, the platform may present an abundance of unnecessary information. Pricing: there are now 2 pricing tiers available. The membership period is the sole variation between the 2 plans, both of which include 100 searches per month. Monthly membership, $26.89 a month. Quarterly membership, $17.48 a month. Both memberships are identical in terms of benefits. However, those who sign up for 3 months can save about 35%. It's worth noting that the BeenVerified cost for the 3-month membership cycle is $52.44 a quarter. To test out their service, you can pay just $1 for a full week of access. When your 7-day free trial ends, your credit card will automatically be charged the BeenVerified cost of $26.89 every month until you cancel your membership. Verdict: best to unmask catfishers' phone number. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.BeenVerified.com. Time for an expert advice here. So never wonder who called me again. Discover the caller's identity and reason effortlessly using the mentioned tools. Take control of your privacy by performing a quick reverse phone lookup. With services like Intelius, enter the number and get detailed information within seconds. Stop the guessing game and try these services today to uncover who called you. Well, that's it for today, guys, and thanks for sticking to the end. Hope this guide steers you in the right direction and enlightens you toward the best options on the market. So, which option will you choose to get rid of those annoying calls? Or did we miss a tool that you think should have made this list? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video with more from Guru99. Don't forget to like and share this video. Do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications as well. Time to take your leave. Goodbye, folks.